Universal tools are better than specialized ones. People say the biggest competition for any new business is an Excel spreadsheet. It's almost always true. My spouse works for a huge international company and uses Excel all day. There are common problems, wrong data, mistakes in formulas, and people changing email attachments. But they don't mind. They could use special software, but their work changes every 6 months. Someone would have to keep updating the software, which would cost money and take time. My first summer job was on the production line in a small cosmetics factory. I capped shampoos, soaps, and creams. The sharp-edged lids gave me calluses and chapped fingers, but I smelt nice and my skin was soft. During a break, I asked the foreman why the capping mechanism on the machine was out of order. Is it broken? And do we have to cap shampoos here? It's not broken, but changing to a different product line takes a long time. It's easier to have people standing at the belt instead. Perry E. Metzger recently wrote on Twitter that humanoid robots are starting to do special jobs in factories. These robots might be slower and less efficient. Still, it's easy to adapt them for different tasks, just like workers who operate the cap filling machine at a cosmetics company. Metzger says, if you're a mom and pop manufacturing operation with 20 employees and you are capital constrained, you are in a very different position, and buying a humanoid robot every few months as you can afford it might very well transform your business. Yesterday, I was constructing a cat climber in my backyard. When the Vltava River flooded in the autumn, a tree fell in my backyard. I'm going to use the wood to make a cat climber. I'm too lazy to walk down to the hourly workshop on the riverbank for the bandsaw, so instead, I made a jig using a board and a few screws to cut a straight line in a circle. I'm going to use a universal tool instead of a specialized one. Metzger is right. The bandsaw costs €120 at a hobby market, while the more versatile jigsaw is only €30. It may not be as powerful or accurate, but I can pack it in my briefcase when I'm done. Unlike the bandsaw, which has nowhere to go. Specialized tools may be more effective, but cheap all-purpose tools always win in the end. This is true for all kinds of tools. It applies to kitchen tools, workshop tools, and factory machines. It also includes software, like Excel, automation tools like Make.com, and artificial intelligence. A specialized tool that's faster and more accurate is great, but it often ends up unused after a short time. But who am I to say?